Hi, I'm Oliver, an engineer at the intelligence company, and today I'll be showing Game Dev Arena as part of Design Arena. It's our multi-file, multi-turn arena with both image and text input, building end-to-end functional games. Let's dive in and take a closer look. Just head over to Design Arena and select the Game Dev option, where you can say what you want to build. The model immediately gets to work, carving out a detailed plan for itself on structuring the game's architecture and assets. Now that it's done planning, it's going to start building, where it pulls from a catalog of fonts, sound effects, and libraries that our harness gives models built-in access to. And it seems like our options are done. Choose which option you like the most to have access to the full game and a link for revisiting. And that's it. Now I have a fully functioning app. From 2D RPGs to racing games to 3D fighting games, let your imagination run wild on our new Game Dev mode, only on Design Arena.